Drop it.
What's going on, you filthy motherfuckers? How's it going? How's it going? How you doing? How you doing? I'm excited. Good morning, Sachin Patel. How are you printing dirtbags doing? Dr. Bob, how's it going? Sam Lee, how's it going? Saad, good morning. Devon, good morning. Vix, morning. Grant, yay, man, good morning. Good morning, people. STV, good morning. Bad financial decisions. Heard this on an IG reel. Almost reported the post. You shirt matching the right side. Yeah, I'm just, I feel Pinteresty. All right, Gerardo, what's going on? Andres, good morning. Jerry, good morning. Mary White, good morning. Will Flow, good morning. Meowser, what's up? How you guys doing? How are you guys doing? James, you're late to class. Well, guys, let's get right into it. We're going to bring up the chart here, and let's really talk about what we're dealing with here, right? So let's talk about the SPY really quick. You guys, did you watch the stream earlier today? We navigated you to victorious moments. The run up and then the move down to the level. Were you guys there for it? Did you print? Did you print? Were you there for it? Let's go ahead and look at the 1 minute here. The 1 minute set you up beautifully for these moves. Traffic light, level, consolidation. Not really liking this one. Whatever. STV sent you here, of course. Shout outs to STV for just doing a damn thing early in the morning, because that's when I allocate my day to watching midget porn. Okay, Kenny you. I was there but hesitated, unfortunately, so I sat out of it. That's fine. Meows are printed on that SPY, put on that live stream. Dope. Tabasco Dave, printed like a Kinko's on half off day. There you go. So let's get right into it. I want to talk about the Qs, because the Qs are what has me excited for today. And why am I excited about the Qs? Well, you guys see, looking at the 1 minute, let's look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute, you could see it is just struggling here. Why? We talked about the daily, and I'm going to go ahead and clear out these blue pill lines for you, right? So let's remove the drawings. As you can see, we got this candle right here. Barely a candle, barely a doji. Ooh. But you do have the 200 EMA right here, right? Something that I was concerned about, and something that leads me to believe that you might get a slight rejection down to the 13. So currently trading at 294. The value of the 13 is about 287.64. All right. Let's go to the 5 minute. That would explain a lot of this consolidation here. You do have that move down to 293.57, right? This here is a very tight EMA, not something I want to touch, right? Don't want to touch it. But I tell you what, when that thing rips open, there will be blood. Okay, take that for what you will. Okay, now let's jump into Tesla here. What is Tesla doing? Tesla, following the cues, doing a lot of consolidating here. We go ahead and we look at the 5 minute. And the 5 minute, you can see Tesla's being supported by the 200 EMA. You had that bounce off the blue pill line, which happened to be somewhere in proximity of this level at 171.21. And then you get that, whee, someone popped the Viagra pill here. Gotta love it. Then you get the immediate retracement back down to the 200. Nice. Now, let's go ahead and look at Apple. But before we look at Apple, let's see what Tesla's doing on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, again, we had that rejection off this level. Traffic light brought you to victory. As it stands right now, EMA's awfully tight. You could have played traffic light down the put side. And then here we go. It's just really, really tight, right? You really want to see what happens later on when Powell decides he wants to be hawkish. Then market goes, bye. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to Apple, then IWM. You printing Xerox motherfuckers. I love you. I love you. Look at this bad boy. Here you go, Apple on the 1 minute. Apple just decided, like, we don't want to be a phone company anymore. Here we go. We got on a 5 minute. It looks even more dramatic. Who's losing their ass on Apple? Ta-ta-ta. What goes up must come down. Traffic light, put signal, 1348 for the fucking win. Let's go. Junior, good morning. Christian, good morning. Traffic light is leading the way for you. Obviously, you probably wouldn't enter when you get price action so far away from the 13 because it comes right back up, and then you're screaming, it doesn't work. Yeah, it does work. It's just, again, we have rules that you need to abide by, and therefore you need to be on these streams each and every day so that you have the light bulb moments, like bing, bing. I get it. Okay, moving along. Let's go ahead and look at what happened here on the 1 minute. Of course, we got some consolidation moving sideways after we hit a level. We're going to need an ink sponsorship this year with all this printing. Yeah. HP, Xerox, somebody, help me. Kodak, we're talking to you. The AR guy, what's going on this morning? Okay, let's get back to business here. We need some tickers. Now we got the traffic light on the queue on the 5 minute. Mike, thank you for that one. Let's go ahead and check this out. We got the Qs on the 5s. Let's get her to the 5s. You got a traffic light with the put. You do have a level right here that you have to respect, that 293.57. Go ahead and get you some. Your risk is super tight. If you entered in on this candle, you are now defending profit. All right? You probably want to set your profit to break even, depending on where you are in this candle. However, on the 1 minute, you do have traffic light, and of course, you got this level. I keep telling you guys, stop being greedy. Take what the market gives you. Now, we go back to IWM. Everyone's concerned with IWM. Why? Because it's AMC! Okay, so here we go. IWM moving. That's the 1 minute. Not really attractive here. On the 5 minute, this is where we make our money. And he got some price action that just got away from the 13 just a little bit. He got 190.86, and it's trending down. It's coming on down. So you got the MACD line breaking below its signal line, printing some red here on the histogram. Uh-oh, is the market hemorrhaging? Find out on the next episode of... You guys know how to finish that. All right. Anyways, let's get back to the 1 minute. 1 minute traffic light helped you print. I'm done here. Guys, you know what? You're stealing from me. You're absolutely stealing from me. Ain't nobody going to go ahead and show you how we do this here with Trade 1348. Nobody. And you know, $69 plus a free trial. We shouldn't even be giving you a fucking free trial. I mean, we live stream every day showing you proof of concept. If you wanted to live stream earlier this morning with STV, we led you to victory with the SPY. And we continue to lead you to victory every single day. With that being said, we teach you how not to trust us, but trust the chart. Right? I'm nobody. Chart everything. Okay, HR, give me a call. Please. Might get canceled for that one. It's just total impulse. I might have turds. You got to do that homo in fire screen. I really do. Yeah, it's all about workflow. Just really got to give you guys the best video production possible. So my hands are tied. But we will get AI on top of this. Okay, so moving along. Trust the chart. You don't have to trust me. You don't have to trust STV. You go ahead and trust the chart. But I just got a text message like, what the fuck you doing? I'm being a degenerate, you asshole. Let's see. I'm driving to work. Love the entertainment, man. Keep up the great work. The AR guy. Be safe out there. Stay away from cows. Beppa Sylvia says, my mom says I'm not allowed to play with AI. Well, I mean, if it's a flashlight connected via Bluetooth to your RTX 4090 and you got your VR set, like of course your mama doesn't want you doing that. She don't want to mop up your mess. By the way, why are you still living with your mom? Someone cue music, please. All right, back to the chart. Let's go. Here we go. What are we doing here? I'm in a high desert of California, man. There's no trees or anything. Definitely no cows. Oh, just type Jonah. She lives with me. Oh, you're such a good son. How does that line work when you're at the bar? You predatory fuck. All right, anyways, let's get back to the spy here. Let's see what she's doing. We got the spy, and the spy is just chilling right now, right? You go ahead and you can play these traffic lights on the 1 minute as it is on the 5 minute, hey, not really. Ooh, we might get that touch to the 200. Remember we talked about this? I said, spy to the 200. It's happening! It's happening! Oh! Anyways, my mom lives with me too, but that's because in 2020, she suffered from a stroke and I refused to put her in a home. Kenny, you're awesome, man. What a good son. Let's see. When I was dating my wife, I still live with my mom, but I told her that I have roommates upstairs. Oh, man. Wife must be blonde. Let's see. I go live with my green skin. Green? Why do you think I live in a high rise in Boston? STV. Shots fired. Oh, man. Let's see. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. How's that for a crystal ball? How's that for a crystal ball? Yeah. The higher powers. All right, let's go. What are we doing next? Guys, you got to give me some tickers. Let's go ahead and check out platform, right? Let's see what Invictus is doing. Invictus is asleep. Let's go ahead and look at the 3 minute here. 3 minute is alerting us on Voo and alerting us on Disney. So let's go ahead and check out Voo first, and then we will look at Disney. All right. Let's see. Voo, down. Yeah, that 3 minute cross here, that happened. Dun, 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 right here, put, and then 5 minute followed, put. You do have the 200 there. So, ladies and gentlemen, play safely. We're here for those 5-10% gainers, base hits all day, all day, all day. The great analogy is that you're sleeping with your woman, right? And you're enjoying it. All the pleasure in the world, right? But you're not there to bust a nut. You're there to last a long time. This is what the stock market's all about. Don't be selfish. Don't be greedy. Go ahead and enjoy the long stroke. Okay, QQQ breaking a 5. Let's go ahead and check that out. We got the Qs here breaking the 5 minute traffic light, breaking the 200, and Takalori. Of course, you could go ahead and last all night. I mean, that dildo there. I mean, it's that silicone, whatever you're using. Have fun with it. Just be careful. Don't end up in the emergency room. All right. So just type Jonah. Spy is the girl that lies about her climaxes. All right. Maybe. Her daddy's Powell. She's like, Daddy, save me. And we're just like, yeah, motherfucker, save her. Please. So here we go. Up 5.8% on the port today. Winning loser. Okay, we're glad it's just 5.8%. Just chill out. Just calm down. You made your bank. You were up yesterday. You're doing good, man. Don't be greedy. Winning loser. Don't be greedy. You want to go ahead and be greedy? Winning loser. You're a short drive away from Foxwoods and Mohegan. Go be greedy over there. Okay. Now, let's go ahead. Let's see. What else are we talking about here, guys? Let's, wait, was that Disney? Yes, we have to talk about Disney. What is Disney doing? Ain't fucking nothing magical about this. Yeah, so anyways, you got a traffic light. It's on a 5 minute. You go ahead and you're breaking levels here, right? Hey, look it. This candle is way out of reach here. It definitely was, right? There was really no retracement until you get, you get these two red candles back to the 13. This is basically where you want to be, right? This is where you want to be. That's where your entry wants to be. And then you ride her up and she gave you more than you deserve. And then she comes into put mode. She's putting out, ladies and gentlemen, this is Disney. And when we talk about a whole new world, like seriously, imagine that. Like some guy on a carpet is like, come with me if you want to see the world. It's like, okay, motherfucker, who put shrooms in my coffee? Why are you floating? Anyways, SPY dropping faster than a $10 hooker. No, 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 no. You got to see how fast a hooker drops when you drop $100 on the floor. Ha, got him. Took 17% on CVX daily put. Dope. Oh, hold on. I see the 200. Can you check out BA? Let's check out BA and have some fun here. Guys, let's have some fun. Gabe, don't knock shrooms in your coffee to try it. Arvid, that explains your hair. Love you, bro. Anyways, what we have here, we have Boeing. And Boeing on the 5-minute traffic light ran. You're looking for a level here on the 5-minute. Can't find nothing. All right, so here we go. On the 1 minute, it gave you all the levels. Traffic light on the 1 minute. You ride this bad boy up. Boeing's like, yes, it flies. It flies. And then it's like, wait, it's only a test. So traffic light coming on down. You're hitting the 200 on the 1 minute. And it's a wrap. Going to the 5 minute. You see this here. Guys, I want you to understand that the 200 on the 1 minute is also the 48 on the 5, okay? Or very, very close to it. Always keep that in mind. So we have the traffic light, and it's finding support here on the 48. I'm going to wait for the MACD to cross here, start printing some red on the histogram here. And then let's see here. We got the RSI coming on down. We have the moving average coming on down. We are below 50. This is cool. This is where we want it to be. Moving along, let's go ahead and look at
Nvidia.
What's Nvidia doing? Nvidia Corporation. Nice. Look at this move here. On the 1 minute, she is just marching along, right? SBSC, what is the Gini indicator? The Gini indicator is basically me and your conscious. It's telling you where the trend is. It's telling you what you're biased to. It's telling you RSI, it's bearish, strong bearish on the ADX momentum. This is something that we look at, right? These are things that help you and guide you through the trade, okay? So moving along, you got, what else are we looking at? Oh, AMD, STV. What are we doing with AMD? AMD is making you rich. Holy shit, $80. Let's go ahead. Yes. Well, you still got a long ways to go. I mean, you could easily double your port if you just hold on forever, which it seems like you are. Studied your videos all week and haven't lost a trade since. Loyal, Dino, that's what we like to see. Now, AMD here on the daily, fucking around at the 200. RSI breaking its moving average trending up. MACD absolutely healthy. MACD and signal line both breaking midpoint here on the MACD here, right? So you got the midpoint here, which is neutral, 0.00. Then you got midpoint here on the RSI, which is 50. Now, as long as RSI remains above 50, you maintain this trend. MACD above neutral, you maintain the trend. And then, of course, ADX momentum is signaling bullish here on the 1348 Gini for the daily. Now, I want to go ahead and look at the traffic light here. Got you in at 68. Who made money? Look at this. 68 on January 11th. Oh, man. Who was making bank? Right? Now, Loyal Dino says, studied your videos all week. Haven't lost a trade since. That's great. What are you in right now, Loyal? Let's go ahead and look at platform. and see what we have for the 3 minute cross. We got a few coming in. We got ZM and we got Net. So let's check out ZM. So this is Zoom. I really don't understand what their competitive advantage is. I mean, I really don't. Hey, it's post-COVID now, and companies want you all to get back to work. Let's see. Just type Jonah says, Gabe, to confirm, if I edit my safe chart in any matter, it will unsync from your charts when you update it. Absolutely. Okay, now going back to the chart here, you're absolutely right. Just type Jones. Here we go. ZM on the 5 minute traffic light leads you to a put. You're breaking the 200. Let's see. You have an intermediate level here. I'm really not going to be greedy, guys, because the 200 is, yeah, that's Optimus EMA. The 200 is Optimus EMA. Please respect it. Please, please, please. Now, let's see. AMD calls and Neil puts. I'm done for the day already. Loyal, Dino, or Dino. Well, if it was Dino, it'd be DY, right? So it's Loyal Dino. Good stuff, man. I like it. All right, what else are you guys in? What else are you playing with? Let's go ahead and look at Shop. Just alerted on the 3 minute. Let's check out Shop. What is Shop doing? Get her here. Traffic light on the 5 minute. Now you're getting paid. You have a potential cross. This is looking healthy. What happened here on the 3 minute? You got the cross potential. Cross. One more time. 1 second. Traffic light to cross 200 EMA. There you go. I'm liking this, right? If you made your money in this, you secure the bag. That's it. Now, come on, STV. Invictus should be working. He's probably just asleep, right? Because everything is finding its trend. It's, let's see what happens. Algo, Andy, what's up with Invictus? Anyways, going back to Shop, again, the 200 level. This is something we are trained to respect. It's something that we teach each and every day, right? And, you know, if you want to fuck around and find out, you certainly can. But me personally, I like my gains here. I'm out. STV. What else are you in, bro? Jesus Christ. What else are you in? Let's go ahead and see what else we got. We got Shop. We covered pretty much the latest tickers on the 3 minute. Any of you guys have any other tickers you are concerned with? Let's see. Ungroovy says, I noticed when a market is super volatile, Invictus takes a little time to get going in the morning. Yeah. Invictus is like, nah, I'm not dealing with this. I'm not dealing with this. No. Anyways, just type Jonah says Invictus on Powell's time today. Yeah, Invictus is chilling. It's chilling. Imagine Powell gets on and Invictus wakes up. Oh my God, you guys are going to start printing. Check out trade1348.com. 14 days free trial. Guys, listen, man, there's no BS in this. Like, we call it, and we call it each and every day. Can I check out MU? Most certainly. Let's go ahead and check it out. MU here on the 5 minute traffic light, but you are currently supported by the 48. What you want to see is RSI pivot down. Now, this is probably a wait and see. However, what you want to do is go ahead and look at where it's at on the 1 minute, okay? The 1 minute is showing massive support. So when we go to the 5 minute, we understand what's happening here in the 48. Now, with the 1 minute, you need an absolute break. But here's the problem. MACD is showing signs of weakness or a weakness of bearish momentum. So maybe you get a bounce off the moving average here with RSI running up. Okay, so I would stay away from MU. I don't find it actionable unless you can go ahead and just take those sweet scalps. Oh, sweet scalps. Gotta love it. Make that money. We need 1348 merch. And what? MP live stream soon? Well, what's MP mean? And thank you for the super. Thank you for the super, but please don't ever send me $5 again. I'm not like your homeboys over there. I just don't do it that way. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I fuck around with STV and I send him supers because, like, the kid is absolutely underrated. Like, he is absolutely underrated. This kid is just a brainiac, right? He's gonna rule the world with his fucking villain hair. Anyways, exited CVX on the resistance, but set an alert if it breaks below 170.93. If so, the next level below is 167.18. Mike, good stuff. You're reading the chart. Play as you will. But now I want to have a conversation with you guys, right? We got 383 viewers on the stream. Now, I know all of you are not just from the Discord. I know you got some guys who are sitting there on the sidelines who are wondering, should I sign up? Now, trade1348.com is right there for you. Rose Q, baby, how are you? Kisses to you, right? I promise I don't have herpes, but let's really talk about this, right? So a lot of you enter these trades or you're learning the system and you're doing so timid. And I'm sure I'm not the only one who grew up hearing, money doesn't grow on trees, right? We've heard that, right? And I will argue and say, yes, it does. You see, success, like anything else, needs to be planted, like a tree needs to be planted, right? And once you plant that idea of success, like a tree, the ground serves as your foundation, the sun serves as your inspiration, and eventually one day you become mighty oak. You better believe that money grows on trees. In fact, it comes out of thin air. When you are executing these trades, all right, is there a fucking truck coming from the markets going to your bank and saying, deliver this shit to this degen? No. It's just numbers. It's fugazi. It's thin air. All right? Trust it. Recondition your mindset. Because in this game, money does grow on trees. All right? Okay. Let's see here. Christopher Rulo, Gabe is signing up. Even a question? It should not be. Get your ass in there, bro. If you're still questioning whether or not to get in on this, I'm up 21% on a single trade this morning. That's 2.1% on your port if you had a 10% allocation. Wow. Good stuff. Ungroovy. Good stuff, man. All right. Traders Anonymous says money grows on SPY puts. Sure, why not? Let's go ahead and look at the SPY here. What do we have here? SPY. Oh my, on that 1 minute. Fucking filthy. 5 minute. Yeah, traffic light put. Fucking filthy. And if you guys are still trying to say I don't know anything about trading, well, then you could go fuck your mother. Because you guys had this blue pill line printed out for you at 403.85. Okay? You knew exactly where you were going. Monica Proteus says Mofo does have fill in here. Victus did wake up. Can we get some likes in the chat? Like, guys, we go ahead and we go live. I really don't need to do this. Like, my tax bill is more than what a doctor would make in 2 lifetimes just this year alone. But I'm doing this because I want to pay it forward, and I want you guys to really just kill it, all right? Let's see. I just passed a 14-day free trial, laughing my ass off. It's all free. Nice. I do. I love you guys, because at the end of the day, man, I go ahead and I remember I check this out. I can't even hear myself talk, right? So that's why I go ahead and probably talk too loud. But no one gave me a shot in hell. I was just probably written off as another social security number, maybe another inmate number, maybe just, I don't know, maybe a fucking menace to society, which I was in my late teens and early 20s, thanks to Ivan and Andy. We had a lot of fun doing that. But at the end of the day, it's just like, let's pay it forward. And you guys can go ahead and, just change your lives too. Now, I can't force you to do it. Okay. And, it's something, it's a choice that you make. Okay. It's a choice you make. Let's see here. They're not headphones, they're hearing aids. So let's see. Mike Rose says, damn, I'm pissed with paying 60,000 in annual taxes. 60K? I wish. I fucking wish. What? I fucking wish. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see here. Invictus, Snap. No, but $60,000, that's 2 cars I could put on Turo. Smile always, absolutely. You smile. Smile. Moniker. Good morning. Okay, so let's get into Invictus here. Let's see what Invictus is doing. We got Ford, we got Snap. Let's look at Snap. Ford is just pretty much just chilling, right? Ford is part of like my long-term port. But if you guys want to go ahead and like make some bank because you have a small port, Ford is a steady mover, right? It really is a steady mover. So, maybe Ford could be one of those tickers that you play around with. So again, traffic light here on the 1 minute put signal level. Traffic lights coming up to the 48 here. You would have the expectation that it respects it. Now we're on the 5 minute. You got the traffic light here, too far away from the 48. And this is what happens. We show you guys this time and time again. I didn't have the chart up. I'm not going to replay that. But long story short, traffic light, price action, too far away. And look what it does. It just simply retraces, right? Now, we'll go ahead and look up what else? Snap. We're going to check out Snap because Snap tends to move a little bit better. Snap. Oh my God, Snap. You're a shit stock. No. All right, looking at Snap here. We're just going to cover it because I'm already here. Traffic light breaking below the 48 on the 5 minute. You do have a level here at 991. You see how price action is sensitive to this level with 1, 2, 3 candles that are definitely respecting this, right? So you go to the 1 minute, and there you go, traffic light leading you to victory. Okay. No, I don't play gaps. Let's see. PMI has contracted again into recessionary territory. Job openings higher than expected. Inflationary manufacturing prices higher than expected. Inflationary. Master Woody Roaster Smith. Okay. Oh my God. And what does that mean? The market's just going to do whatever the market's going to do. It really is. Just going to do what the market's going to do. Traders Anonymous. People get this. I signed up for the quarterly sub. It's around $250 US. Today was the last day of the free trial. I've now paid off the quarterly sub plus before even finishing the trial. Let's fucking go. There you go. Let's see. Daily Taylor Truth. Mike Rose. Nice. I'll cash out on AMC puts. Oh my God, everybody. Still talking about AMC. You do not want me to jump on AMC. Nelson Perez just joined. Welcome, Nelson, to our filthy degenerate family where we have a lot of fun and we make trading fun again. MTFA, that should be a hat, right? Make trading fun again. Oh, Daily Taylor just loves setting me off with these AMC rants. I was one of those people who have been watching for the longest and just decided to join. Nothing. Welcome. Watching for the longest. Just chilling out on the sidelines. We got 401 viewers on the stream. Thank you for tuning in. Come on, can we hit the like button? Let's make trading great again. That's right. That guy yesterday was baiting you. Which guy? Which guy was baiting me on AMC? Oh my God. There's some people in this world who just shouldn't be disappointed in themselves because that's their parents' job. For real. Let's go. Let's see here. Let's see. No, not Matt Kors. Uh, that guy. Anyways, on to more relevant things. Like, what the hell is the spy doing? And on the 1 minute, we have a traffic light. She's going to make an attempt. I'm not really. Ooh, maybe she might make that attempt to the 48. What's happening on the 5 minute? Okay. We need to see the break of the 200 on the 5 minute. We'll see the break of the 48 on the 1. Am I bullish on Matt Kors? Come on, man. Why are we giving that guy free syndication? Like, it is what it is. Michael Paso says, Boeing, play of the day for me. 37% put. Still have a few free contracts. I'm channeling my inner STV on display. Good shit. Good stuff. Top G's statement over 100. Don't. Please don't. It took every fucking bone in my body not to reply to this guy. Because he's like, hey, should I stop covering AMC? I'm only stating my opinion. Woohoo! Really? Jesus Christ. But yet I go ahead and I state my opinion. And then he got all the lizards attacking me, Top G attacking me. Bro, that name is not even fucking original, and you're not a Top G, bro. You probably got $13 in your fucking bank account and telling the girl at the bar that your mother lives with you. Ha ha, burn! Anyway, Super Soka. I've disappointed my parents every day since I left law school. Now I make lawyer money and no law school debt. I'm good. Mm. My favorite new comedy show is the comments in your posts on Twitter. I'm so glad you're back on there. Oh, man. Is there a way to turn off Genie? Absolutely, there is. For those on mobile, if Genie centered in on you, and mind you, I have to do the update. Shout outs to Hot Potato. I have not done the update yet for you guys, but you would simply go to settings and then uncheck tables so that it can get off of your center screen on mobile. Okay. Let's see. Bertine Miller says, so you play options, you day trade from the 1 minute and the 5 minute, or what's your system like? Bro, I ain't got time to answer you right now. I thought the stream was titled Powerball Destroying Market. Well, it sure is like winning the Powerball when you're printing like these sons of bitches in here. Can you take a look at Sophie? Okay, Jeannie is the new side gal. Just don't tell the wife. I'm calling her. I'm calling her. All right. Let's see here. Let's see. SoFi call option expiring on Friday. Okay, so Sophie, however we're going to call her. Let's go ahead. Now, I need you to, Sal, I need you to give me your target and your expiration. Sal, target and expiration. One more time. Sal, target and expiration. Well, you said Friday. So what was your price? What was your target on the options? And then it gets really, really quiet in here. No fun. So Astral says, paper trading to familiarize with the 1 minute traffic lights. Took the 1 minute light on BA, took some profits early and left the contract to run. Up 100% on that, gaining confidence. Astro, good stuff. Good stuff. So someone asked me for SoFi. 728. That was what? That was your strike? 728. Why'd you play so out of the money? Why'd you play so out of the money? You weren't even there yet. You were nowhere near close. What prompted you to enter? Where? Where did you enter? Where? I want to know. I want to know. Where did you enter? Oh man. Kevin says rewatch the evening stream you and STV had done. Very informative, even when he described the market and my sex life like a Dr. Seuss book. There you go. Yeah, we don't play out of the money, guys. If you're gonna play contracts, you gotta play like pros. You gotta play at the money. Let's see. Let's see. Coin puts, life wisdom. All right, thank you for allowing me to keep the stream interactive. All right, back to the charts. Coin. Oh, this hurts. Oh, look at coin. How low can you go? Oh my God, coin, traffic light, you got paid. So life wisdom, what do you need me to look at? Because it just paid. Traffic light here, paid. Jeez Louise, guys. Traffic light leads you into the cross, the 1348 cross, and you paid. What are we doing here, guys? You're printing more than you're losing these days. All right. Meowser, done for the day. Off to the gym. Thanks, team. Yeah, it's an evil laugh. Man, because I love printing. You guys see how easy it is to make money? Can I get a thumbs up from everybody in the stream who now see how easy it is to make money? And I'm not selling you a get-rich-quick scheme. What I'm selling you is knowledge and the ability to develop the confidence required to read these charts and allow you to do such. All right? There you go. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Asians have stepped in. We got a bunch of yellow hands. And Rose, I doubt you're that white. And Supa, yeah, you nailed it. One way, he's got all the colors. All right, I'm fucking with you guys. Look at you guys. Look at you guys. I fucking love to see it. Oh, Rose, you're that white? Damn. Okay. GT. Really? Really? GTI is to play. You must be really proud of the shit that's coming out of your mouth. Seriously. You know, your dad's looking at your mom like, you know, this was the one we could have saved from the world, you know? Told you to swallow. Let's see. Yes, go fuck your mother is a play. Absolutely. Absolutely. I like it. I like it. Let's see. Super Show. Yes. December 21st is when he got the keys. AMD. Let's go ahead and look at AMD, and then we get into the community fave. You guys already know the community fave. I know you guys are fiending the community fave because you want me to press that button. All right, AMD's rocking and rolling on a 5-minute. Really not nothing. Not anything to really play, right? So, I mean, you ran us up to a level. You got a traffic light that brought you from 80 to 79.83. Another traffic light that's bringing you up to a level of resistance right here. And that's really it. On the 5-minute, it's just like, secure the bag. Like, what are you doing here? You're not going to become rich in a day. Like, guys, understand that. You will not become rich in a day. 1348 is absolutely the play. Now let's go ahead and listen and look. Well, I said listen because I know you guys like hearing this, and yeah.
Nvidia.
There you go. One more time.
Nvidia.
Okay, guys, thumbs up if you want one more time. Huh? Maybe? Maybe? Maybe?
Nvidia.
Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and look at Nvidia. And Nvidia just doing basically what AMD's doing, right? The game is the same, the play is the same. Game and the play is the same. Make sure you're securing that bag, all right? You could become rich in a day if you started with enough capital. No, you can't. No, you can't. Trust me. Let's see. Moving along. That was Nvidia. Nvidia's really nothing to look at. I'm not really. I mean, she's printed. She made you money. Yeah. Can't get rich in a day, right? Because the bigger the account, Let's say you got 250,000, right? This is what I do each and every month. I have a $250,000 allocation, right? And the thing is that with that, you're not playing to get rich even. You're playing for income, right? So with a quarter mil, I'm playing for a 1%. That's gonna get me 2,500 a day at or about, right? That's what I'm trying to do, right? Gives me 5 days to do it, in a month. It make good money. Then I go ahead and take whatever my life expenses are. I pay for that. Then I take the rest and I put it into my long port, and you just keep going, keep going. Now, even at 500,000, then you're playing for 1%. Again, 5,000 a day, 22 trading days in a month. Now you're playing for income. Maybe that gets you what, 100,000 a month. Uncle Sam's gonna come in and mine. That's what he's gonna do, right? All your hard work, all that stress, you take it all. Now you're left with 60 grand. And then God forbid if you got an ex-wife or you got child support to pay. Just saying, right? We live in a world now where sometimes you really think about it, like there's not enough money. There will never be enough money to be enough money if you just really, really think about it, right? Because when you start making more money, the more other people just want to take from you. Life wisdom. Yes, stay away from marriage. If you're paying taxes, you're making money, yes. But come on, 100 grand turn it to 60 grand. It's like, that hurts. That stings. That stings. For what? For what? Joe Biden's prompter is always fucking broken. So where's my tax money going? Anyways. Let's see here. Spy is making that run up to the 48 as we talked about, right? What did it do? Oh, we talked about it. Traffic light above the 200. If it broke the 48, it was going to break above the 200. Dun, da, da. There you go. There you go. Listen, guys, just check out trade1348.com. We're going to do this each and every day. Now, I know there's some assholes in the stream who are going to be like, well, if you guys are streaming for free each and every day, I'm just going to watch the stream, and then I'm going to go ahead and just follow you. Yeah, that's until STV and I purposely delay the video stream by 15 seconds. I wonder how fucked you'll be. Go ahead, sign up, trade 1348, 14 days free. That's all I got for you. Winning loser is now up 7.4%. You're out of settled cash? Good. Now I'm going to call you a liar if I see you this afternoon, like, up 11%. We're like, bro, where your money donations coming from? Let's see. QQQ looks spicy. Let's check it out. Daily Taylor, how does he do it? He's probably playing in 1 minute and ultra conservative. And that's the thing. Like, you can really pull that shit off, honestly, if you don't allow yourself to lose money. Now, looking at the cues are following the SPY. So traffic light on the 1 minute, you're breaking the 200 fucking bank. Same thing here. You got the put. You expected the reversal from the 200 here on the 5 minute. And you knew that was happening because the 1 minute was guiding the way for you. And then here you are. Good stuff. One way. I can't give you financial advice. I can't tell you when to secure the bag. But if you're up a considerable amount, like, do you really want to go ahead and fuck around and find out? Carlito Cruz, come on, man. We don't do Shiba Inu. We do not do shit coins. Shit coins. Let's look at Shiba. 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 We're gonna do this. Right? So let's apply some logic here. Right? So SHIB. Not Shiba. What are you talking about then? Shiba Inu? Sheila? Is that a thing? No, it's not. No, it's not. Really? Yeah. I feel like no. Just look it up. I'm not playing that bullshit. Shiba Inu. So it's a play off of SHIB. So it's Shilla in you? Is that what you're saying? Carlito? Is shill in you? It's a shill token. Wow. Is that really a thing? No, seriously. Is that really a thing, guys? Oh my God. There's a fucking sucker born every minute, huh? Wow. Let's see. Snow. Let's look at Snow here on the 5 minutes. Snow came down to the 200 and bounced. Your traffic light paid, but now looks like might be gearing up for a reversal on the 1 minute. Traffic light, it paid a little bit, but this is where you wanted to be. This is beautiful. This traffic light's like, it's happening. Oh, man. Guys, stay away from altcoins, Shila, Shibu, Doge, all the other stuff, right? The whole... Oh, my God. You people fucking disgust me. Yeah. Love you, Winnie Loser. I love you, man. Love you, too. You fuckers stress me out. Anyways, I'm signing out, man. Fucking stay away from the shit coins, like... Don't know how I got into your live, but I just subscribed. Carlitos Crew as well. Welcome. Make sure you hang around and learn something. Yeah. Legendary 5% port. Dope. That's what we play for. All right, guys. I will see you at 12:30. Then I want to see you again at 2. Yeah, this is a long day for me. Do I do a stop loss like STB? No. I just play until 11 and I get out. How to make Genie reappear? Go back to settings and click table. GTII. You really wanted me to go green on you, don't you? All right, here we go. Let's do this. We're gonna do this. No, you guys wanna wait a little bit? Please, just wait. Okay? GTII. Yeah, you got a traffic light, right? Do you even know what the fuck you're looking at? Do you even know? Let's go to the daily. What is this? This is $8. What is it trading at? $1.84, right? Now you want to talk about smart allocation of funds. Here we go. Since December, this thing has been moving sideways. Is that something I want to get into? Hold up. Or does it have to move sideways until the Reddit fuckboys get enough attention on GTII with their immaculate fucking DD that other people start buying and they buy and then the rug pull? Are you fucking kidding me? This is so fucking obviously a pump and dump. If you're playing stocks like this, you have no business in this game. And you know what? You deserve to be poor for the rest of your fucking life. Because what this is goddamn criminal. What you're doing out there is you're advocating a shit stock and you're selling a pipe dream. Goddamn, talk about snake oil salesman on YouTube. I can name a few. But that's not me and that's not here and that's not what the fuck we do. We play to make real money. You know, you want to be a fucking 12-year-old and live in your mom's basement for the rest of your life, rubbing it out, watching midget porn, you know, talking about YOLO, you know, fucking mad at the world that, opportunity passed you by. You know, it was like, I had a saying, right? This was me. This is very, very fucking arrogant, right? Growing up, right? So when I hit it big and all my friends, right? I would go ahead and look at my friends. I'm just like, yo, right? You had opportunity in life. You had all your faculties, your vision, both your ears. You didn't have to work as hard as I do, right? And, you know, that's what helped me start to build a level of arrogance. It's not arrogance, it's more like confidence because these were the same people that wrote me off. And I'm going to tell you what, right? I'm going to tell you what, right? Listen, if if opportunity just keeps passing you by, right? There's one of two things. Either you're not looking for it or it's not looking for you. Now, you want to go ahead and attract positivity in your life, well, then you have to project that positivity. And if you're going to go ahead and promote this negative, toxic bullshit that's only going to, you know who it affects? You know who it affects? It affects people of color the most. These shit stocks, right? Ignorant people who think like, yo, I can get in on the floor at $1.86. This shit's going to be the next Amazon. This shit's going to get me out of the hood. Mama, I'm going to buy you a new house. Mama this, mama that. And you know what? It's like, you're just going to get so fucking disappointed, right? But the opportunity still exists for you. It still exists for you. But you're choosing to ignore it. You're choosing to ignore it. Can you imagine the ignorances? Yes, single mothers who are just so desperate to provide a better life for their child because there are a bunch of men out there like you who go ahead and walk away from them. Right? You non-committing son of a bitch. Like, seriously. I just have a lot of distaste towards people who think like simpletons and then wonder why life doesn't provide any opportunity. It doesn't provide opportunity because you guys are out there in these shit stocks fucking each other over. That's what's happening, right? And then when somebody comes in with big money and pushes it up and then like pulls the rug on you, you're screaming market manipulation, you're screaming for market transparency, you're screaming for market equality, and it's just like, motherfucker, you chose this game. This is the game you chose. GTII, you chose it. You deserve everything that fucking happens to you. You deserve the predatory traders that come in and pump this thing up in the morning. You deserve it all. You ain't gonna get rich off this. Okay? Jesus Christ. Anyways, I'm done. That was a pointless rant, but still. Jesus. Just grinds my gears, man. You know, there are a lot of people getting hurt in these fucking, like, bullshit. Andrew Moons, watch it go nuclear tomorrow. Come on, man. You got to be playing yourself, bro. You got to be, oh, yeah. Yeah. Come on, man. Do you really go through life? I mean, what do you tell your landlord? Yo, chill out. Don't evict me yet. GTII is going nuclear tomorrow, bro. I'll have the money to pay you. Come on, man. Ain't nobody going ahead and making it through life half-assing it with fucking speculation. It's either you making money or you not making money. It's that simple. It's that simple. Jesus. Let it go nuclear. I will fucking rug pull the shit out of it. Sorry. Resist the norm. You're at $87. Nice. You're at 187. How much did you put into it? You're up a little over double. If you had 10 grand, now you got 20. Bro, why is your money sitting in that? Your money is sitting there getting ready to get fucking disrespected. Right? Resist the norm. Yeah, I pushed AMC. I changed it up. And bro, you ain't shit. You'll never be shit. Right? Don't come in my stream just going sideways. I'm calling it like it is, bro. Like, you ain't shit. You won't ever be shit. And you know what? Send me the invoice for your wife. That's it.